So I'm working on a 1912 Buick engine, and one of the pistons doesn't want to pull out. So this is a method I've devised many years ago. I don't know if it's an original idea or whether somebody taught it to me. I can't remember. I've not seen this very often, but in this particular engine you can't pull the cylinder head off. Maybe you can see the head and the cylinder block are all one piece. So I can either pull the cylinders off of the crankcase, or in this case I pulled the crankshaft out and now I'm pushing the piston out through the bottom, which is the only way out. This one didn't want to move, so I put a hydraulic pump. I made some fittings in place of the spark plug. And then I have this antique hand pump, and by pumping the handle, the piston is moving out. It has already started to move, but I just thought I'd make a little video. Job done. And this method works on an engine if you can find a crank that's at the part stroke. You can leave the crankshaft in and it'll just push the piston down and rotate the crank. And if you can't find a cylinder with the valves closed, just back the adjusters off until the valve is closed so that you have a seal, and then build the pump pressure. It's a good method, I think, because it forces oil down around the rings, and it's better than a block of wood pounding on with a sledgehammer.